She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
My goal of teaching is to share the knowledge that I gained when I was in college, so that the knowledge that I get is not only useful for myself, but also useful for my students and others in the future. I want to be a teacher who can place myself as a second parent and a friend to my student, so that in addition to providing knowledge, I also act as a facilitator to provide solutions to my students when they have problems. The competence that I must have in order to become a professional teacher is to have broad insight and be able to control the class, so I can understand every character of my student with the learning activities become effective. The learning theory that I will use is the theory behaviorist, because this theory emphasizes habit, so I'm interested in using this theory. In practice, I give the task of writing difficult vocabulary in any reading text. After finding difficult vocabulary, then translate it and then memorize. With this, students can improve their vocabulary. The approach I will use is a combination of a teacher-oriented approach and a student-oriented approach. The reason I use this approach is because learning can be done face-to-face and learning activities can be dominated by students. So, not only the teacher is active, but the students are also active during the learning activities. The method I use is question-answer and demonstration. In practice, I will give a kind of quiz after learning end. For example, please say the color in English, and the system, if you answer faster, the chance of going home are also faster. With the system, students will be more enthusiastic to answer questions. The method of demonstration of the implementation system is showing a video clip of how to introduce myself in English, and students are allowed to observe and try to introduce themselves. What I do so that learning can be carried out effectively is using interesting learning method that use additional media in visual form. For example, I saw an apple picture and it already has writing on how to pronounce the word correctly, and students can try it one by one. What I do is to try to find out that causes the student to have learning difficulties, whether learning difficulties are caused by learning material that are too difficult to understand or other factors. If there are other factors, I will to try coordinate with the student guardian.